Hello guys, today my video is regarding goon of e-commerce Amazon. It's very important video for everyone who is buying or selling. So one point is for buying and one point, very important point, is for those who are selling on Amazon. Look, I have on 1st September 2020 I ordered this thing. Okay, and today is 10th and they haven't sent it me yet. And look, when I track my package, what it comes, we will send you email about estimated delivery. When I order this, they says within 4 to 5 days, normal delivery, free delivery. But that's what they do all the time. They try to if you buy 2-3 products, I bought 2 or 3 products altogether, they don't send you one product every time. If you buy multiple products, they won't send you at least one product. Why? Because they want you to buy other products or buy this product and pay them delivery charges. So this is happening to me about 4th time in last few months. So that's what they are doing, and they want to make you spend extra money on to make it £20 at least package, or to pay separate postage. And look, I posted a comment on the seller website, and what Amazon replied to me is, thank you for submitting your customer review on Amazon. After successful reviewing of your comment submission, your review cannot be posted on the website. See, you can see your review cannot be posted on the website. Or my review was, I ordered it on 1st September and on 8th September I posted it, and it's not been dispatched, and there is no option to contact. Very disappointing. And there was no option to contact and anything. I can only cancel it. That was the option they gave me. So that's what they want me to cancel it and reorder it and pay them separate postage. Okay, that's one thing. The other thing is regarding those who are doing associated marketing or affiliated marketing or Amazon. Look, I am in my affiliated marketing program. You can see the link up here. Okay, and I want to show you, these are the conversions and you can read them here. Total order item 4, clicks 13, conversion rate 30%. But the thing is, you can see I didn't earn anything, no fees, no bounties, nothing. Why? This is very important. Those who want to sell on Amazon, very important. They won't pay you even a single penny if anyone within your household is buying anything from your link, or if any one of your friends or their friends, extended friends, if you posted it on any social media, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, any link, anyone buy through those links, they won't pay you anything. Although I have sold 4 things, but they didn't give me in last 30 days, they haven't given me. These are the conversion, 1 2 3 4 5 6, look, 7 clicks, but there is no fees. You can see there is no fee. So they won't pay you anything. They are selling things, but they won't pay you anything. So be careful. I will advise, don't use Amazon. If you want to buy from Amazon, you can do one thing. Suppose you want to buy this product, and what you can do is, you can scroll down on the left side. You can see sold by ITSHINY UK and fulfilled by Amazon. It's fulfilled by Amazon, mean Amazon will post it to you, and it's sold by this company or this guy. What you can do is, if it's fulfilled by the same guy or same company, you can just go there and click here, and you can see their details here. If you can find owner's company name or any contact number, before Google used to give them, but now Amazon, but now they don't give, because most of the people are now trying to buy from the real buyer instead of the Amazon. Suppose you are selling a product and its cost price is £10 and you are selling at double price £20. Amazon will take 30%, that is £6, and you will make only £4, which is 2/3 of the Amazon is making. So who is getting richer, Amazon or you? Just go to their details and try to contact the seller and ask a question here. ask a question to this guy and go to their website and buy the product from that site. If they are from UK and your country, if they are from another country, then you can't buy it from them. So that's my advice. Last but not least, whenever you search on internet, you will see there's an Amazon is selling that product. So I would advise, please support your own businesses, local businesses and small websites on internet, and make them living as well. Thank you very much.
Smart Brains is here to help you achieve smart targets in your life and will lead to smart success. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, #SmartBrains, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.